This is part B. We are asked use part A to check that the sequence below has a limit x equal to 7. We have a sequence square root of 42, square root of 42, plus square root of 42. This is third term and this is the fourth term. So previously we wrote x is equal to square root of k plus x. So we have to use this part. And they said x is equal to 7, so x is equal to 7 here. And square k here is a 42, and x is 7. When we write square root of 42 plus 7, we get here 7. So x is equal to 7. In problem 5, we are asked you will find the following information useful for this question. So we are given information. We have a quadratic equation and the solution for the quadratic equation, that is minus plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. We have the limit of the x for this sequence is not an integer. Find the exact value of this limit. So we have to use the previous expression that we wrote earlier, that is x. So x is equal to square root of k plus x. Here we see k is 3, so we can write x will be equal to square root of x plus 3. Now if we take a square on both sides, so square will cancel out square root, we got an equation that is x squared is equal to x plus 3. Now if I bring x here and 3 on left hand side, then I get x squared minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here we get an equation that looks similar to this equation except the minus sign here. Then we can use this solution to directly write our answer. So x will be equal to here we have minus, so minus b here is a minus 1, so minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 is b squared minus 4, a is 1 here, so 1 times c. So c here we have is a minus 3 divided by 2a, 1 here. Then we get x is equal to plus 1 plus minus square root of 1 plus 12. We get here, this is a 13, divided by 2. Now we have got two solutions. One is plus 1, so x is plus 1 plus square root of 13 divided by 2. And other solution is plus 1 minus 13 divided by square root of 13 divided by 2. And we see this number will give us a negative and this will give us a positive. And when we look in this sequence, we are looking for only the positive values. So our integer limit will be a positive number. So we pick up this solution here. So this will be the exact value for this sequence.